I'm going to tell you something, guys. Me sell off. Me not have to sell off this and what me sell off. You see this man when me a come out of the yard, me dream say me man I give me fishing net and we catch one heap of fish. Me say poor no know a blessing when me get out here. Me get a piece of blessing there, guys. And I go see the blessing. And me I go tell you now. But me not tell you yet. Me don't know yet. But look here. We have ready plantain, ready liver, chicken back, gizzard, chicken neck. It is all ready to serve. All ready. Thank you guys so much. God good of everything. And no matter how much cost me cost. I know you love me, but it just me a whole nigga.
Say all one wants about my friend. So me I say, I always have a feeling should I bounce back. You see me I say, and big up yourself, Tony, and I know you're from a cannot paint, but I know you feel like I know your struggles and I can align with your struggles and the emotional, you know what I'm saying, the emotional waves and the turbulence and the potholes and the steep corners and the speed bumps. So me I say, yeah man, the journey of life, you know, cause them, I guess, experience there, you see me I say? Yeah man, and yeah man, keep on the good work, man, you see me I say? May God bless you and your husband to be. Yeah man, that's how I put it, man. May God bless you and your husband to be, you see me I say? Yeah man, great family and things, you see it? Bless up the people.